What's up, guys? Day 2, vlog 2. Actually, I gotta clean this fucking place up a little bit. I'm gonna clean up, right back. I'll be right back in a snap. What can we talk about now? Because we're back, we did a little cleaning. Probably gonna do a little bit more, but at least a little bit of the mess is cleaned up. But day 2, vlog 2. Oh, we are way zoomed in. I didn't even notice that. Sorry, peeps. Sorry, peeps. Sorry for 10 people that are gonna watch this. Let me get super juice in me. Yeah, you know, I got that lean up in my cup. Nah, fuck that. Straight up coffee. I got like 5 radios in this room now, so might hear a couple different sounds. Hopefully they'll cancel each other out and your boy won't get copywritten because you can't have my 10 views. Damn it, DMX, you can't have my 10 views. Ah. Need to work on that. Need to work on my bark before I call DMX. Cause that boy's vicious. He's only like this tall, but I heard he's vicious. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna put the boots on. Sorry for shake camera. Sorry. I'll get a gimbal sometime. Why don't you pay for the gimbal and then we'll use it. For now, I'm paying for wood. I got wood. I can't wait for my buddy Luke to come over because Luke shreds, and I bet he could shred this sucker on the ramp. Well, I mean, we might have to get new wheels for it because he blew out the wheel last time. You know what, I'm gonna get that down right now. We're gonna, oh! Snap, crackle, pop, did we break the windshield? Please say no. It's already broken. But at least it's still in one piece. We're gonna grab this thing just because it needs to be out. Needs to be worked on. We need to fix up my prized possession, golden clown bike. I mean, this thing rides like a fucking dream, to be honest. The seat is amazing because it's like a big old banana seat. The brakes on the wrong side. Don't like that. Because when I pull that handle, I pull it hard because I'm thinking clutch. So every time I pull it, I'm like locking the sucker up. So I'm not great with the brakes. So we don't even need brakes on this thing anyway. If you're not going full speed, you're fucking bailing anyway. But last time he was on it, he blew out this back wheel and this piece right here. Like, see how it's bent? It's a little bent, and we like, maybe we need to get a mini rocker. This thing's just cool though. I mean, how can you not love this little thing? Benny's still not impressed whatsoever. Anyway, we're gonna sit this thing over to the side for now, but be ready for that. Be ready for some action on that thing. I might try to get something to block the window because I almost went through that the other day, last night. So yeah, session 2 underway. I'm also gonna put these little gel heels in the sole of my skate just to see how it feels. I figure why not? Give it a whirl. Can't hurt. See if it makes you feel any different, any better. It's just a little, it's really thin. Made by Skin. The Skin.
You ain't know they call me.
What the fuck was that, bro? See, if you're getting started late in the game like me, you better fucking warm up. You better get a little skate around. Cause them back problems, baby, they happen like that. You're gonna fall on your ass. Bam! Shit just don't feel right no more. Out of mind. Woo! Yet another foot onto that rail. Or a couple feet. Bam! Grindage! Woo! All the way around home, baby. One of these days, one of these days. But, wear your safety gear. Wrists, knees. You can't see the knee pads probably because they're like, they just pull right on. But I'm wearing them. Most of the time I'm wearing them. I need to get a helmet. I'm just trying to figure out which one I want. I kind of want a retro one because I'm lame like that. Alright, as soon as J. Cole's killing it. Oh yeah, those sole things feel awesome. They feel really good. Like, it kind of gives me the extra little oomph. My foot is like locked to the bottom of the skate right now. It feels really good. Oh! Woo! I'm good, buddy. Thank you for checking on me. I appreciate that check. I'm good. I'm good though. I'm good. I'm good. Can you get my hat? Can you get my hat for me? Get my hat for me. Said I was feeling good. And I just busted ass on this tiny ass. This thing's like, it's like 6 inches off the ground. And I just busted ass on it. Don't get cocky, motherfuckers. Don't get cocky. Lesson of the day. Alright, so like I said, warm up. You could do something stupid like that. And like, you know, land on your ass and it's just like, bam, you got a back injury. You ain't skating for a while. You ain't doing shit for a while. You can't work for a while. I'm not exactly the proponent of the 3 E's, but somebody, you gotta make money somehow. So, you know, I don't know. You're not gonna make it off YouTube because they fuck you over. But anyway, so I'm gonna finish my little warm-up sesh. Hopefully get some clips. My goal is to go up the long quarter backwards. And we're getting moist in here, so fuck, this is gonna be weird. I gotta do this quick, because the ground's cold, it's hot outside. It's gonna get like damp real fast, so I gotta do a couple of these real quick. But anyway, I'm gonna try to go up backwards and sole stall backwards. That's the daily goal. All right, see if I can do it. Santa Claus, baby. Break before I sesh. I just did something that I don't even know what it is, and I did it on complete accident. I'm not even gonna try to act like I did this on purpose, but somehow, oh, hold on a second. Can't have this playing.
I'm subscribed to the shit, and I'm willing to ride for the shit. You better join me, I need that hefty jewelry, are you my soldier? 1942, get the bad bitches.
Things getting heavier and heavier every time I add something. So we're gonna try to do that. I don't know what the best angle is gonna be. Probably right here so you can actually see what I'm doing. Fuck, I can't hold it. Leg's too weak. Ah. Oh. Oh, come on, pussy. Do it. Way too hot for that long sleeve shirt. Try to find you a better angle. For this trick, I found that it's much easier if you get speed. I don't know what angle to get. All right, here comes whatever that thing is that I did on accident. I'm trying it again. I don't know if you can tell I ride it all the way out, but I did. Whoa! Wasn't down on that. Weak. Weak. None of them are as good as the first one, fuck. Ah, I broke my camera thing. Fuck. All right, now it's time for a fakie challenge. Trying to go up this backwards, stall on the top, and successfully ride down. Gonna put the wrist guards on for this one. All right. I don't want to do this. It's for you. Hopeful progression. Ah. All right. Woo. Too much speed. Trying to get 2 for good measure, but it didn't work out. See how that looked. Okay, the floor is changing colors on me, which means it's gonna start putting off moisture. So, cutting this session short before I hurt myself. Always wear your pads, these things are amazing. This kind's better though. Anyway, got my fakie. First time I've ever went up fakie installed, so fakie soul grinds to come. It scares me even saying that, but next time. See you tomorrow. You know I love you. Peace and love, spread love.
Greatest alive. Balls, nigga.